Alright, back to her. So this was this would have been this would have been the second hammer. Yeah, the second hammer I made. That turned out alright, I thought. Side I got it radiused a little more than the other side. Oh, let's give this one a go. That works pretty good too for this. I actually like it. It's kind of, whoops, pay attention, jeez. Kind of tipped forward a bit, just the way, but I like that. It kind of hits nice. Either way, not too shabby for my second attempt at a hammer. This was my third one. I was trying to do I guess it'd be like a Japanese style hammer. I guess would that be a blade maker's or a sword maker's hammer or something? I forget the name of those hammers. I do not remember. If someone knows, could you remind me, please? Thanks. We'll give this a go. Well, that works pretty darn good too. I'll see if I can find my first attempt. Oh, pay attention. Less yucky, more wacky. I love that hammer. That's pretty sweet. I haven't used that in a while. I don't know why. I like that. The way it's weighted can really friggin' drive her down. So that was my third one. They call it, what is it? A dog? Oh my god, I don't know why I can't remember that. So that was the third hammer I made. Now, where's the God. Yeah. This was the very first hammer I made. I like that. I charred the handle. Still got some temper colors on it and stuff. But when I did the same thing, I got a flat side and then I rounded the other side. This one's a lot straighter than the than that second one I made though. I think it's a little softer too. It's doesn't have quite the rebound like the other one. Yeah, that's my very first hammer. Oh. I would have made that from a chunk of round stock. And you know what? She works pretty good too. Oh, that's all I have to do. I need to make a cross peen. That'd be a good project too. There's so many possibilities and things to do. Get over there. There we go. Little spacer. That's a nice weight too. Heavy. Yep, not a bad little hammer. Dogs are barking at something. Now, my longer pegs are closer to the wet areas around the fence. I need a longer one to help hold it down. It seems those short ones, the tension of the fence just wants to pull them out. They're too short. So I gotta make some longer. What else do I got? I think that was made from a piece of agitator shaft. Let's try this one. This was a recycle from someone threw away. Yeah, set the dump in the scrap pile. I have no idea what this one would have been for. It's a different looking hammer. Forget what it. I thought it had some numbers on it. Yeah, like I don't even know where this would have been made, what they would have used it for, but it's just got some numbers on the end of it. Yeah, if anyone knows what this one would have been for, let me know. Either way, I cleaned her up. This one's got some weight to her. got some jam to her. But I do like the round side. Yeah, I like having a round side. Just works a lot nicer. That's that one. My fiance got me this lovely hammer. It's got a nice handle on it. It's really comfortable. It would have been from, this is GS, I think GS Tongs. He does these nice little hammers. Very comfortable. He does some nice tongs too. She got me a couple sets of tongs when I was first starting out blacksmithing, and I've done quite a bit with this one. It's nice. So thanks, GS. Yeah, it's a nice little hammer. Yeah, I definitely recommend one of these ones from GS Tongs. Nice handle, nice hammer. Work all day with that one. Yeah, it is GS.